Universal HQ. Today I'm going to tell the explanation about the solar system. Actually, there are two types of astronomy. One is about the comets and solar system. First, let me tell the explanation about the solar system. So, our universe is very big. Also, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Let us start from the closest planet in our solar system. First, Mercury. Mercury is the first planet and the closest planet towards our sun. And it's the fastest revolving planet in our solar system. Second one, Venus. Venus is the second planet in our solar system and the hottest planet, because above the atmosphere there will be lots of carbon dioxide which can absorb the heats of the sun. Third one, Earth. Earth is my favorite planet too. It is your favorite planet? Well, give me in the comments below. Earth is the third planet in our solar system and it is called as the blue planet and the living things of our Earth. Fourth planet, Mars. Mars, also known as the red planet, is the reddish planet. Why do you think so? Because all over the planet there will be huge dust storms which can be over a million months. Fifthly, passing through the asteroid belt. Now the fifth planet, the Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet away from the sun and the largest planet in our solar system. Also, in the Roman mythology, it is known as the lightning. Now, coming next to the sixth planet. Sixth planet, Saturn. Saturn, the spectacular planet in our solar system because it has rings around. It's actually the second largest planet in our solar system. Also, as per that, its rings it's made up of millions of rocks and dust and ice. Now coming up to the seventh one, Uranus. Uranus, also known as the blue giant, is the coldest planet in our solar system. And finally, eighth planet, Neptune. Neptune is the first planet in our solar system and much more colder than Uranus. And also, did you know that in 2011 it completed its full revolution around its axis? And finally, it was a temporary planet between 1930s and 2006. It's a dwarf planet named Pluto. In the year 1930s, between 2006, all the schools were taught as the Pluto was the smallest planet in our solar system and the furthest planet than the Neptune. But also, if you need more information about the Pluto, please do check in my video about why the Pluto is called as the dwarf planet. It's in the link in the description. And now coming up to the second episode. Hello and welcome to my second episode. We are going to talk about the comets. What are comets? Well, its actual names are the asteroids. Asteroids are the celestial natural rocks which are surrounded by the solar system and seen in between the Mars and Jupiter. Also, comet means it's a flying rock which keeps on closing towards our planet Earth itself. So we can see its tail behind it. But also some of the people were asking how does the tails are formed. Actually, just like Saturn's rocks are made of millions of dust, rocks and ice. So actually even comets also has it. Once it reaches towards the earth, the ice inside the comets gets melted and forms the first tail on its top and second tail on its bottom. Does that mean the comets have two tails? Absolutely. Well, this is because as the top part, once the ice melts, it's called the first tail, and below one, the radiation gets a point. As the dust will also forms below it, it creates a dust tail. I hope you understood something new about the solar system and the comets. If you need any more questions, please do write them in the comments below. Hit like and subscribe button. Till then, Dhruv Kashyap, peace out.